Title: Welcome to Project Management for Managers. In today's competitive world, effective project management is not just a skill but a critical capability for every manager. This course is designed to provide you with the essential tools, techniques, and strategies that will enable you to manage projects with confidence. Foundations of Project Management. Every successful project begins with strong foundations. We will start by understanding the fundamentals of project management, exploring what makes a project different from routine operations. You will learn how projects are structured, how the life cycle of a project unfolds from initiation to closure, and how to analyze different stages effectively. Alongside this, we will explore modern methods of project selection so that you can choose the right projects that align with organizational goals. Financial and risk dimensions. No project is free from financial constraints and uncertainties. In this part of the course, we will focus on capital budgeting techniques that help managers make informed investment decisions. You will also gain an in-depth understanding of risk management frameworks and learn how to apply both qualitative and quantitative tools to identify, assess, and mitigate risks. People and processes. While processes and systems are important, it is people who ultimately determine the success of projects. In this section, we will address the key human resource management issues that project managers often face, such as staffing, motivation, and conflict resolution. You will also learn strategies for effective leadership and team building within project environments. By aligning people, processes, and performance, you will discover how to create a high-functioning project team that drives results. Tools and techniques. To deliver projects on time and within scope, managers must rely on proven tools and techniques. This course will guide you through PERT and CPM, two essential scheduling methods that bring clarity and structure to project timelines. We will also explore the use of probability models to better understand uncertainties within project networks. Finally, you will learn the concept of crashing, a powerful technique that helps optimize both time and cost by carefully balancing resources. Control and excellence. The final part of this course focuses on maintaining control and ensuring excellence throughout the project journey. You will learn how to effectively manage and control project costs, keeping projects on budget without compromising quality. Lastly, we will explore procurement management, helping you manage vendors and contracts efficiently. Together, these skills will empower you to deliver projects that create lasting value.